Oh.
Do it, Victor. Same speed.
Oh, God.
No, it's bouncing all over the place. I think Lindsay fell out.
You wish.
Stay to your right.
Me down on the hill. Are you crazy? No, not now.
Johnny's.
The funny thing is, that's my snorkel, so you know this thing just took a big gulp of snow.
All your rubber back here. Man, I just barely got traction.
Whoa. That's interesting. Oh, Lord.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Nice. 2 Tacomas. 3 Tacomas. 4 Tacomas. 5. Oh, they're like all outfitted the same.
I mean, look at that clearance that guy has in front of you. I'm like, man, that's pretty high.
What are they doing?
Oh, one of the guys got out to like take pictures or something. These guys are hauling. They maintain like 25, 30 miles an hour.